Alright, hello, this is going over question 2 from one of the ACT practice assignments here, and it's a population growth by percentage, and it's actually, believe it or not, this same formula we did in class, just a different, like it looks a little bit different. We had A of t here it has P of t, we had little a for the initial amount, they have P0 meaning the initial amount, and then they do 1 plus the rate as a decimal. And so we just had it as R, but they're just saying, like, in order to do the R correctly, you've got to take the percentage, which is 5, divided by 100, right? So, like, in this one, we would just do, 5 divided by 100, and that gets us the decimal place. So in class, oftentimes I just said, like, move the decimal place over twice, right? Like, we took the 5%, here is the decimal place, moved it over once, twice, and that got us this decimal here, right? So they're just saying, hey, another way to do it is you can divide the rate by 100, and that'll get you this rate as a decimal. So that's what's going on there. And then T is the years. And the only difference here is, we don't really have a year. We just have a starting year of 1990 and then year 2000. So basically, T is like, I think the years since the start or something like that. So basically, T just means we're 10 years in the future. Right, because we started in 1990 and now we're in 2000, so T just represents 10 years in the future. Okay, so it's the same formula, and I don't know however you want to think of it, but the initial amount is that population. Sorry for the bad handwriting here, but that population, and then 1 plus the rate as a decimal, which we already talked about, is 0.05. Yeah, shoot. I ran out of space. I ran out of real estate there. 1 plus 0.05 to the 10th power. All right, and then if we look at that, the answer choice, when we clean this up, if you add these together, you get this 1.05. So the right answer for figuring out the population in 10 years would be that right there. And then if you actually had to find the population, you could just type it in the calculator, but it looks like we don't need to do that here. All right, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.